In this video, going to show you how to automatically sync your contacts from your iPhone to your Mac using iCloud. To make this work, the first requirement is that both your iPhone and your Mac must be signed in to the same Apple ID account. First, let's set things up on the iPhone. Go ahead and open the Settings app, then tap on your Apple ID name at the very top. Next, find and select iCloud. From here, in the Save to iCloud section, tap the Show All button to view the full list of apps. Find Contacts and make sure the toggle is switched to green. Note that if a prompt appears asking to merge contacts, tap Merge. This will upload the contacts on your iPhone to iCloud. Now, you just need to configure the settings on your Mac to sync them down. On your Mac, click the Apple icon in the menu bar and select System Settings. Just like on the iPhone, click on Apple Account in the left sidebar. Next, select iCloud from the right-hand pane. Click Show All. In the window that pops up, find the Contacts app and check if it's turned on. If it isn't, just toggle the switch to enable it. At this point, the syncing process will begin. To verify, you can open the Contacts app on your Mac using Spotlight. If you want to ensure your latest contacts are updated, go to the Contacts app on your Mac and select Settings. Switch over to the Accounts tab. Select your iCloud account and make sure the Enable this account checkbox is checked. Good luck with the setup. I'll see you in the next tutorial videos.